Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Bitget wallet address step by step. This is very useful if you want to deposit or transfer crypto safely. Let's get started. First of all, open the Bitget app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account correctly. Once the app opens, we'll move to the Assets section. Now tap on Assets at the bottom right side of the screen. This section shows all your crypto balances. From here, we'll go to Add Funds. In the middle of the screen, tap on Add Funds. This will allow you to deposit crypto into your Bitget wallet. Once tapped, we can move to Crypto Deposit. Next, scroll down to find Deposit Crypto under the Crypto Assets section. Tap on it to proceed. Here, you'll be able to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Now choose the coin you want to deposit from the list. After selecting the coin, you'll need to select the network. Pick the correct network for your transfer carefully. After selecting the network, your deposit address will appear at the bottom. Tap Copy to copy the address. This is your Bitget wallet address, ready to use for deposits or transfers. And that's how you can easily find and copy your Bitget wallet address. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below if you want more crypto tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.